Hello my dear friends and family, welcome back to Mathematic Tricks. We are seeing a very lot of tricks in the mathematics. Okay, as I said, every time I am telling that math tricks is not anything like a black magic. It's like it's induce you to think in another point of way. Okay, so why you want to keep on doing the same way? Maybe you will you may studied from the KG to now. Okay, so why can't you try this way? Okay, this mathematic tricks will teach you why can't you think it on the another perspective point of view. Okay, so this is the class not only teach about mathematics. This is a class which teach about how to solve any problem. So human life is full of problems, isn't it? So it also this class will help you to develop your brain to think on the another perspective point of view. So it's surely helpful for your lifetime, isn't it? Okay, so we have seen a lot of mathematic tricks in our class. Okay, so today we are going to see about some magical tricks. Okay, what do you mean by magical trick? Means you already knew about it. Some magician will do some magic. Okay, so they will do numbers magic and any magic. Okay, so the number magic, it's nothing but it's a trick. Okay, so today I am going to teach about how to find out the someone birthday date using the max tricks. Okay, so today I am going to tell you how to find the another person birth date using the simple max tricks. Okay, so what are the procedure? There are 12 steps to find out the birthday date. Let's see what one by one. Okay, so first step, you can ask your friend's birth month. So, okay, and also I have kept with an example. I have written also example. First, let's check with the steps and then go for the example. Okay, so add 18 to your birth month. Add 18 to your birth month means your birth month or your friend's birth month. Okay, for example, if you are asking your if you are playing with your friends means you can put your friend's birth name. Okay, birth month. Okay, so next multiply by 25. So 18 plus the birth month, there will be an answer. So that should be multiply by 25. So after multiplying by 25, definitely you will get some answer. Okay, that answer should be subtracted from 333. That answer should be subtracted from 333. Okay, then after subtracting from a 333, definitely you will get some solution. So that answer should be multiplied by 8. That answer should be multiplied by 8. Then after multiplying 8, you will get the answer. That answer should be subtracted from 554. After multiplying by 8, definitely you will get the answer. That answer should be subtracted from 554. Okay, next, after subtracting from a 554, definitely you will get the answer. That should be divided by 2. Okay, that should be divided by 2. So next, after the answer which is get from after the answer we got from the subtracted from a 554, we should divide it by 2. Then after that answer should be add your birth date. Okay, add your birth date means your friend's birth date. Okay, so next, if you multiply by 5, if you after birth date you want to multiply by 5, then you will definitely get the answer. Then it should be added with the 692. Okay, so after you got the multiply by 5, you will get the answer. That should be added with the 692. Then definitely you will get the answer, isn't it? So that answer should be multiplied by 20. Okay, so next, after multiply by 20, definitely you will get the some answer. That answer should be added only last 2 digit of your birth year. So last 2 digit of your birth year. Next, after calculating everything, you should subtract it from the 32,940. Then you will reach the proper month, date and year. Okay, you get the proper date of birth format. Okay, so I'm just told about the procedure. Add, multiply with the 2 and divided by 2 and get the birthday date. So I've told it. So you may know what is the need to know about to get the date of birth format. So everybody know what is the format of date of birth. So when we are Indians, we were always used to write it in the form of a date, month and year, isn't it? So this is the format of date of birth. As Indians we used to do it, but when it comes as a computer, what is the format as a date of birth? In a computer, how will you store your date of birth? First it will ask your month, then date, then year. So this is a procedure in the computer. This is a date of birth procedure format. This is the date of birth format in the computer. Okay, so to reach the format, you want to use this step by step process. Okay, so you may have a question, what is the need to know about these kind of a procedure? Why there is no need to find it out the someone date of birth format or my date of birth format. There is no need. Okay, so this is very useful for those who are studying a computer science group or those who are willing to work in a IT companies. Okay, so what is the need means they will ask when you want to become a programmer, you want to know a lot of programming skills. Okay, so this is also one of the programming skills when you are applying through any computer languages. This is a basic format. When you are applying this basic format into any computer language, what are the computer language you know it? C, CPP, Java, so anything like Python. So there are a lot of computer languages there. When once you apply this method to languages, then you will get the answer. Okay, so this is very useful for those who are studying programming. So this is a method to work out in a programming language. Okay, so next I am just bringing up the examples also. So let's see the examples. Okay, so what is the first thing? Add 18 to your birth month. So I have just bring it out the 12 as my birth month. Okay, so this is the format. What is the I want to get the date of birth format. This is the format. Okay, so month, date and year. Okay, so this is the computer format of getting a date of birth. So this is the thing we want to achieve it. Okay, so what is the first thing? Add 18 to your birth month. So I have just bring it up the 12 as my birth month and I have added with 18. So I got the answer as 30. Okay, next what is the second step? Multiply by 25. So multiply by 25. The answer is what I have got answer from the step 1, 30. So 30 should be multiplied by 25. So 30 into 25 is equal to 750. Okay, so if you want to check it out, you can also check it out when I am teaching itself. Okay, so 30 into 25 is equal to 750. So next, what is the step 3? So step 3, subtract from 333. So what we have got the answer from the step 2, 750. So 750 should be subtracted by 333. So what is the answer? I have got it 417 from the step 3. So what is the step 4? Multiply by 8. So what is the answer we got from the step 3? 417. What is the step 4? So the 417 should be multiplied by 8. Then I have got the answer 3336 from the step 4. So next step 5, subtract from 554. So 3336 we got it from the step 4, isn't it? So that should be subtract from the 554. Then the final answer 2782 we got it from this step 5. Next step 6, divided by 2. So from this, what is the answer we got it? 2782 from the step 5. So in that answer should be divided by 2. Then what is the answer you got it? 1391. So from step 6 we got the answer 1391. Next step 7, add your birth date. add your birth date. So what is my birth date? 27. So what is the answer? I have got it from the step 6, 1391. So 27 plus 1391 is equal to 1418. So we got the answer 1418 from the step 7. Next, moving to the step 8. So step 8 should be multiplied by 5. What is the answer? We get it from the step 7, 1418. So 1418 into 5 is equal to 7090. 7090. So 7090 is the answer. We got it from the step 8. Okay, next, what is the step 9? You should add by 692. Okay, so what is the answer? We got it from the step 7, 7090 should be added by, added with 692. Then the answer is 7782. So 7782 is the answer from the step 9. So next, moving to the step 10. So step 10, you should multiply the answer from the step 9 into 20. So what is the answer? We got it from the step 9, 7782 into 20. So we got 1,55,640, isn't it? Okay, so next step, 11th step. Plus add only last 2 digit of your birth year. So what is the last 2 digit of the birth of my year? 90, isn't it? So you should add. So you should add 1,55,640 into last 2 years. So last 2 years means 90. So after you got the answer 1,55,737. Okay. So last step. Last is 12th step. You should subtract from 32,940. So after subtracting 1,55,734 minus 32,940 is equal to, you will get 122790. So you are achieving the proper date of birth format. Okay, so once again I am telling, I am willing to remember what is mean. So what is the main usage of knowing these max tricks? Means it is used to improve your programming skill. Okay, once you are a computer science student or once you are willing to work in IT field, means you can just apply. This is a procedure. This is the procedure to get your date of birth proper format. Okay. So if you are applied the same procedure in the computer language, means you definitely get the result as your date of birth format. Okay.